Developed by Apurity Connect, Rubus is the smartphone app for iManage. Whether the user has iOS or Android Enterprise, Rubus will provide features that will increase productivity, billing, and save time. Rubus for iManage is designed to help mobile workers be more productive whenever they're away from the office and on the move. And because Rubus can save you time, it can enhance the work-life balance. The Rubus application allows mobile workers to simply and intuitively send and file emails directly to iManage from their email app. File from inbox to an iManage matter or assignments. Save time by filing as you go, even if you're offline. And view and edit documents and open NRLs. How does Rubus work? Rubus is installed as a managed app that accesses your iManage 10 on-premises server to synchronize data and file emails. Bundled with Hypergate and NetMotion, this process is streamlined to provide a secure, zero-password connection. Hypergate intercepts iManage requests to ADFS and uses Kerberos to authenticate the user without needing their password. All requests are handled in the background to provide a seamless login experience. In addition, using Hypergate, the user can reset their AD password from their device, thereby avoiding support calls related to forgotten passwords. Gartner estimates that 20% to 50% of all help desk calls are for password resets. To access on-premise iManage servers and other sensitive information behind the corporate firewall, a secure tunnel can be established with NetMotion. This will prioritize critical apps such as Rubus, email, and intranet. NetMotion policies are configured on the server and pushed to the devices. No waiting for complex firewall changes. Routing decisions are made on the device. NetMotion's unique architecture ensures secure and reliable data transmission, even when there are insecure and unreliable network conditions. Apurity are providing solutions that make mobile workers more productive. We help customers to develop and implement strategies and solutions that securely and effectively boost the productivity of their mobile employees. Understand how with 3 solutions and the integration of an existing UEM solution, Apurity can increase billable hours and productivity.